Hello, welcome to Top Trading Edge Academy. Today 6 December, Tuesday. Let's take a look at the market conditions, see what market did today. And we had a market sell-off today right here. But important thing we need to understand right here, we have a 100-day moving average support is right there. That's what the market bounced today. You see that 100-day moving average 391, 392 area right here. That's the strong support out here, right here. Now, most important part what I look here is, you see that right here, the MACD crossing. MACD is crossing right here. So that is little small, small term bearish right here. Not long term right now because we still had a bearishness on a divergence which I mentioned yesterday. But today we have a 100-day moving average support. So we have a support around right here coming out in that range, 391, 390 area right here. Now remember the option expiry is on Friday. Today was Tuesday. Tomorrow is Wednesday. Still we have a room here. So this is the support, and I think I still have the market has a room to go down, but 100-day moving average support. So market, let's see what market react tomorrow. Still the more bearishness is there. So maybe market makers setting up all the bears, and if they go north before the Friday option expiry, they could benefit more. So either tomorrow they go north or Thursday they would go turn around. Now there are this is the what I can think of that perspective, because it's all psychological trading, right? So right now they're selling up because now December is the month where you have to remember, guys, these are tax sale. So people take a loss, whatever, tax loss, and they sell those and take a benefit out of it. So that's why many company they will be selling a lot in December month. Okay, they can't just sell it in one day because they have a huge position, but they do take a reshuffling and they do that. So that's what we need to keep it in mind. So that's why I expect market sell off. But remember, it's been going on lately. Now the Friday option expiry coming in. So support is here, which is around, remember, this is very, very important, 390. This is the support. One support which is around that. Second support is right here. This is not a support. Why? Because there is a gap here. So market maker, they see, you see, when the moment market breaks the 100-day moving average, every social media will jump in. Oh wow, look, there is a gap here. Now market maker, they can make a U-turn here because that could be your mouse trap. That's a cheese left for you to go and short. If you do that, what happens is you will be holding hope, and they can take a U-turn and all your option expiry on a Friday. So just to give you a little thought on it, doesn't mean that's gonna happen. It could happen. God knows. We're gonna trade what we see. Remember that. We not gonna trade what we think. Remember, we are thinking like this. Doesn't mean, but we have to keep everything in back of mind and alert, right? That's why what I'm trying to see here. So 385 could be a good support, and then I would not go and short position if it is this. So keep this thing in mind. That's what I can think. You have to do your own homework. So, well, other than that, right here, 30 days, 30-minute charts. Let's take a look at what I said yesterday. Remember what I said yesterday, that hey, we have the trend line right here. We could go and maybe test this right here. The supply zone was here. That was the previous supply zone right here. And that's where we market tested today, around 395. Bounced a little bit, but we are right there, not that far. But trend line has been broken. But that's part of the game right here. They're gonna make all the believe you that they're bearish, and they can bounce on a Thursday or maybe Friday, something. I'm guessing, okay, that's the guesswork, okay. Or other than that, right now I feel like market has a bearishness. That's what I can feel right here, and that's why I announced 4-hour charts. I mentioned there is a 4-hour charts I mentioned here, that there is a divergence right here, and then we are going down. All right, so that's the market now. Now if you take a look at it overall, what exactly happening, well, if you look at the VIX right here, VIX is bottom out, but most important part I notice is VIX is not like crazy moving even despite market is going down. Look at the 3 days, right? it's I don't see crazy momentum building. So people are not, there is no fear in the market. That's what you need to keep in mind. Is if it is, if it is a big movement happen, that definitely there is a fear in the market. But I don't see crazy fear in the market yet. So that's why the VIX is, volatility index is still sitting down there. Apart from that, then let's take a look at the oil. I see a momentum happening in US oil right here. So US oil is, remember we talking about US oil, that the support was 76 and my price target was 73. We touched down right here today, and once we break that, we are heading to $62. So basically before we had that, probably Christmas is coming, right? So maybe we're gonna break 70. Once we break that, we're gonna go lower. That is the reason I also noticed today, if you take a look at it right here, energies, there is a crazy sell of 2.6%. Energy sector area was down today right here. Excuse me. And then technology sector was also down right there. So these are the two sector was down, and communication service also, which is Google, and a lot of other company was also down. So that's the one. Then look at the Bitcoin. Bitcoin is $17,000 right there. We are not that far. We just consolidating in that area. I would wait for it. The yield is right now is basically compressing here. If you ask me, yield is being controlled. So 2-year yield right here. Okay, right here. It's still high, 4.3, but hey, that's inflation need to come down in order to bring the yield down. Okay, so that's 10-year yield. So it's still right there. So we're not gonna much talk about the yield right now. It still is in the driver's seat also. We talk about TLT. Yeah, absolutely. Let's look at the bond market. So bond market is right here. Is right, going up a little bit. But if you take a look at it here, same thing, we did that and then we sell off. So I think the bond market might compress out here until December, and then we could sell off next year probably. Right, so that's that. Dollar is right here, still dollar at the 105 right now probably. So I think we will spend, and then the FOMC meeting, which is next week, right? The 14th December area. That's what we need to see what happens. Maybe dollar bounce. Right. So other than that, I don't see much right now. Let's keep eyes on market tomorrow morning. So, right. So right here the supports are, and we will see what it reacts. But I see something here. This is the important part where the first time I see MACD has a conversion from the signal line. All right. So that's what I need to keep it in mind. All right, guys. So guys, always like the video on YouTube if you can. I would appreciate, and also if you can share with Twitter, retweet, or any social media if you like. And please, sharing is caring. I would highly appreciate. And we are everyday live, guys. We everyday live morning 9:30 to 4 p.m. Top Trading Edge is free on YouTube. Top Trading Edge right here. You can type it in and join. All right, and it's free. Thank you. Bye.